Yo, what's up YouTube? My name is Ransom here with a really quick tutorial. Really just want to show you guys how you can use RBass by Waves in a more professional way instead of just kind of guessing this frequency down here and messing with the intensity. We're going to really tune in on the frequency, and how we can do that I'm going to show you now. So basically what you got to do is bounce your track, or if you already know what key you're in, that's a plus. If you don't know what key you're in, I will provide a link in the description. There's a plugin, or I guess a program called Key Finder. You can just drag in your, bounce your sample out real quick, drag it in here, and then hit run batch analysis, and it says it's in C minor. So that's just a quick way to find it without having to, if you don't know what key you're in, that's how you can find it. So C minor. Up next, step 2, you got to go to your internet browser, and we're going to look up root frequency of C minor. You're going to look up root frequency of whatever key you're in there. And as you can see, frequencies of musical notes. So C, we can just go through this I'll put a link in the description for this. I just found this, but it's actually kind of nice. So yeah, click here and find, I think RBass only goes down to what, 32. So it'll have to be above 32, of course. So C1 is actually 32 hertz. So I will come back into Logic, and I'm gonna play something I'm working on here real quick. This is a beat that is in my beat store at the moment as well. So this is it right here. Here we go. And I'm really just wanting to listen to the bass here, so I'm just gonna solo that out. So I do have the intensity at 5. I'm actually gonna turn RBass off right now, and let's take a listen. So now I'm gonna, now that we have our frequency set at whatever frequency you have yours at, your root frequency, you can turn this up to, I'd say, about 5. 3 to 6 is a good range to start, just to hear the effect here. Then we're gonna turn it on, and you can hear the fatness that gave that. So maybe you don't want it that low though. Maybe it's too rumbly at that point. So all you have to do is double your frequency if you want to raise this number here. So 32 times 2 is going to be 64. So we're going to go ahead and put that 64, and let's take a listen at +4 intensity. And you can see that really helps thicken up the bass quite a bit. As long as you're on that frequency note, it really helps to make sure you're on the root note when you're using RBass, because that is the fundamental frequency that you're going to be working with. So very important. Make sure you get that right. And that is all I got for you guys. Hope you're having a great day. Peace.